Say hi, Marianne.
Hi.
Hi. She's going to be helping me play rock, paper, scissors and see if this is all working here. So here we go. Are we still? Yeah, we're still playing the screen here. All right, Marianne. So right now, you can pick this for rock, this for paper, and this for scissors. Okay? This one's rock, this is paper, this is scissors. Okay? I get these ones, rock, paper, and scissors. Are you ready to hit a button? Okay, get your finger ready. I'm not gonna watch what one you're gonna do. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hit a button. Okay, let's see who wins. It's a tie. We both pick paper. Are you ready? We'll do it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Player 2 wins. Ready? Let's try again. And 3, 2, 1. It's a tie again. Very good. Okay, cool. So it's working. It's working. All right. So now we need a way of displaying the current health of each player, and we need to change. We should be changing that health as we're going along here. Let's also print if we hit any damage. Print current. Print current health. So let's see. This is on player 1. Let's do that on player 2. Print current. Okay, you don't want to have to repeat things like this, but I'm making my life easier by hit a button, Marianne. Hit a button. Okay, player 1 wins. Ready? Hit a button. Player 2 wins. We still have. Do it again. Hit a button. Okay, it's still 10. Let's display current health here as a label. So that should be changing. We're running the damage. So let's see. Player 1 health is current health, and player 2 health is current health. Try it again. Tie. No, yeah, no damage on a tie. I keep giving myself a tie. Okay. So we should be passing in the damage. Let's see what value is. Print value. Damage is this. Let's see if that is not. Oh, current value is equal minus equals value. There we go. That's what I was missing. Okay. That'll do it. Boop, boop. Somebody should win here. And oh, I didn't change it on the other guy. We got to go back. This is so bad, guys. This is why you don't do this. Minus equals value. And I still think I should do it this way just because I don't want to have to actually. Okay, yeah, cool. We're taking down our healths now. Let's get a health bar. So we can do a health bar by doing a progress bar. We're gonna move the progress up. Health bar. Move the product up. Okay, move that there. Let's set the. We'll send that later. We'll set the current value equal to 50 though, to see if we can get it's a show. We don't want to see the percentage. All right, we want custom minimum. We're gonna do the X is gonna be equal to, what is this? What is this really quick? 100, okay, so it should be about 120 pixels. We're gonna do 100 pixels. Okay, nice. Let's center that a little bit better. There we go. Boop. That looks pretty good. We're gonna give it a theme color. He's the blue guy, so we're gonna make blue. Oh, that's the font color. We don't want the font color. We want the style box. The background is going to be no, the fill color. The background's gonna be empty. The fill is gonna be ba, 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 ba. I thought it was there. Is it theme? Theme, it's theme overrides, right? Theme overrides, colors, outline, font. Style box flat. There we go. There it is. All right, cool. We'll give it a nice blue color like that for this guy. The other guy's going to be red. And there we go. So on our player, we'll come back here, bring in our health bar. At the beginning, we are going to set health bar dot value is equal to current health, and health bar dot max value is equal to max health. Okay, so that should set that right away. And then every time we take damage, we are going to update our health bar dot value is equal to current health. Okay, neat. So this is only going to be set up for player one right now. Let's run it. So player one is going to lose. Did I set that up right? Oh, wait, so player one's going to throw a rock. Player two is going to throw paper. Yeah, he took damage. Do it again. Cool. All right, nice. That is working. I'm getting a phone call. Hello? Okay. Let's try that again. So again, he should lose. And he's got 1 health left. And he should be dead now. Okay. So that's working. Print player 2 wins. Make sure that check death is working. So pop, pop. Okay, cool. They win. All right, nice. So that's working. We got a nice health bar there. Let's do that for player 2 now. I like that whole thing. Again, ideally you wouldn't have to repeat things like this, but I've chosen to go a very easy way. Progress bar. You want to turn off show percentage. We're going to do theme overrides, styles, style box. We're going to do style box flat, and we're going to give it a different color. We'll say that this guy is like a red color, like that. I think is maybe up there. Move that up there. Same. It's going to have the same custom minimum size. Is going to be 100. Oh, that's in the Y. 100 here. Center that out there. And then come back here, bring in our, I'll rename this health bar, bring in our health bar, and on ready, we're going to do health bar dot max value is equal to max health, and health bar dot value is equal to current health, which is really the same thing. On damage, we are going to do health bar dot value is equal to current health, and that should pretty much work. So now we should be able to play this game, and we will have, yep, cool. I like that. All right, cool. That's working. Nice. That's visual. I like that visual. That's good. Let's get a cool background here. Let's see, rock, paper, scissors, background image. There we go. No. I like that one. I am a human being. Can I download this? Save image as RPS background. Save that. Let's bring that up into assets. New folder. Nope. New folder, assets. Background. And downloads. It's JPEG. It's good. Should work. I think we can do JPEGs. Okay. Let's, in the world scene here, let's do a canvas layer. It's going to be the background. And then we'll do a texture rect. This is going to be the background. Image. Boop. Okay, let's scale that down. Let's just see if it works really quick. Okay, cool. Aaron, don't touch the keys, please. Thank you. Layout. Transform. Let's scale it. 3. And then push that to the back. Why is it drawing over? Oh, wait. Oh, is it because there we go. I moved the background image to the back, not the... There we go. Okay, cool. Rock, paper, scissors things now. Let's update our sprites to be a little bit more...
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Let's get a good sprite here. So Kenny Dungeon. Oh, no, Kenny Assets, not Kenny Dungeon. Just all Kenny. Assets. 2D. Man, can you help me find the cutest one? Which one has cute dudes? You want to do these ones? Yeah, cute. Okay, we'll do the monster builder. Oh, we have to build him. Are we lazy? Do you want to build a monster, Marianne? Okay, we're gonna build a monster then. Let's get a monster. Marianne's gonna help me make a monster. It's gonna take a bit of work, but it's gonna be worth it, right, Marianne? So we're gonna make new monsters. Unzip that. Let's build in. Let's bring in my map monster pack. Gonna work. Come on, guys. Okay, where are the monsters? Where'd the monsters go? Are they there? They randomly here? Yes, they are. Are you gonna go over there? Okay, we got our monsters here. Let's see if they give us any. Nope, we just have the arms and stuff. It's okay, we gotta build one. Okay, so let's build a monster. So we're gonna do player 1. And let's do a monster. Okay, so we're gonna start with a at sprite D. We're gonna call this the name body. And we're gonna bring in, what kind of body should he have? Green, red, white, yellow, or blue, Marianne?
Blue.
Blue body. See if we can get a blue body. Here we go. Should it be a square, a circle, or like a silly one? A circle one, maybe? Okay, so we'll have a circle body. Let's get rid of the oldest sprite here. So he's gonna have a circle body. And we'll hide all the other things for now. So we'll hide this, we'll hide that, hide that. Okay, so he's gonna have a circle body, and he have legs. We got legs. Let's go long legs here. And okay. And then arms. Let's go with the long arms here. Near. Yep. Kind of hard to see. What if we can flip that? Flip H. And then let's rotate it. Rotato. And then move it. There we go. And then let's give him, should he have a head or not? Want to give him a head? Okay. We'll do, is there like a head option, or yeah, we'll use this one. Make that a little smaller, scale that down. There we go. And let's modulate that a little bit to be a little bit darker. Stands out a little bit. There we go. And then let's give him some eyes. Rotate. Yeah, rotate a little bit. Scale this one. Another one of those eyes. That looks about right. What do you think, Marianne? Is that good? You gotta have a mouth. Let's try this one. Do you like that one, Marianne? No, you don't like that one? Okay. How about that one? You like that one? All right, you like that one? Make it a little smaller. Oh, wait. Whoa. Nope. There we go. And are there noses? There are noses. He's got ears. Oh, he's got antenna. We can do antenna. There we go. All right. Is that pretty good? We like him? All right, cool. That's our guy. He needs a name, Marianne. What's his name?
I don't know.
Come on.
Frank.
Vic?
Frank.
Frank. All right, Frank. Cool. This is now Frank. All right, let's bring back Frank's health bar. Put it up there. Choice label. Where's choice label? There it is. We'll put it right here, like he'll say it. There we go. All right, cool. Now we got Frank. World 1. All right, cool. There's Frank right there. And then let's do number 2. So let's get rid of this. What color should the second guy be?
The second monster?
Yeah. You can be white, yellow, green, red.
Red.
Red? Okay, cool. So he's not going to be a circle shape. We'll make him
Green square.
square. Cool, we need a square. Square shape. So it'll be a square shape like this. And then let's actually make him make out a lot of squares. So we'll do lots of squares for this guy. So we'll do like square 1, and we'll make it a little bit smaller. Just scale it down. Transform scale. We'll do scale. We'll do 0.3. No, not too small. 0.7. Okay, smaller square. And then, no, maybe even smaller. 0.5. There we go. And then we'll do another square here. Maybe like that. And then another square.
So this is body, this is head, and this is neck.
And this one's gonna be in the back is the back. Okay. Yeah, it's like his neck, right? There we go. So some squares, and then probably more squarish legs, if we can get squarish legs. You get square legs. There we go. That's kind of like a dinosaur leg. Only want to flip this. Transform. Offset. H flip. There we go. He's gonna be looking the other way. And check this leg. Yeah, there we go. And flip. There we go. And then arms. We'll give him some ears. This guy's gonna have ears, not antenna. That ear's gonna be in the back. There we go. And let's give him some. He'll have what kind of eyes will he have? Maybe the red eyes. A little smaller there. Nope. And then make another one. Nope. There we go.
Why is big eyes and small eyes? Both.
There we go. And then a mouth. Oh. Not that one. We'll do happy mouth. We got to bring that back. Wait. Where's the head? There we go. Oh no, the mouth needs to be. Nope, not there.
Or no arms.
Is that just the way that it is? Maybe that's just the way that it is. We'll let it go. He's gonna get arms. Or the arms. But I feel like this one. Why is it? I want it to be behind. Let me just move it back. We'll do visibility. This is gonna be the back. So we'll do order Z index back one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's better for the neck. That looks good. And then we'll do this one back two. So Z index -2. And then the arms. There we go. And an arm. This is some chunky arms. Maybe more like that. No, too circular. There we go. I like that. Oh, no, that. And then this one goes there. Flip it. There we go. All right, there's our guy. And what's his name, Marianne? We have Frank and Flash. Frank and Flash. All right, we got Frank and Flash now. So let's move. There we go. Flash is going to be there. There we go. Let's go back.
Well, we have an other guy.
Choice label is going to be
Daddy,
there.
well, we have an other guy.
Nope, we just need two.
Why?
All right, and let's try that. All right, play the game. Pop, pop. Cool. That's working. Maybe need to change the health label for the color for this guy because it's kind of blending in the background. Maybe we just get rid of the background. The background's not really working for our art style. Turn that off. Okay. And then let's move these guys up. Whoop. And whoop. Die. Cool. Obviously, it'd be cool if they could like make the hand motions. That'd be neat. This is good enough for now. So we're gonna give them names as well. We'll put their names on their. We'll put their names on their shirts. So we'll give him in a little box here. He'll have a blue box or maybe a white box. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's gonna say gonna say his name. Label Frank. And then let's make the theme colors, font color. We'll make it blue like him. We got Frank, and we've got Flash. Flash. Oh, Flash. And then we're gonna give him red color. All right, neat. Play the game. Can you see their names? Cool, you can. All right. That looks good to me. We've got our game. We need to display the current round. So let's do another one. Label. This is going to be current round. We'll do it in the game manager. No, we'll do it here. Current round and game manager. So in the game manager script, we will move this over. On timer timeout, we're going to also do signal manager dot current update round dot emit, and we're going to emit the current round. Let's go to signal manager. We're going to do signal update round. We're going to make round as an integer. Okay, cool. Let's go to our world scene here. So we're going to do the current round, attach the script. On the ready function, signal manager dot update round dot connect on update round func on update round new round text is equal to current round is, and then comma new round. On ready, we'll do text is equal to string round is, and then we'll just say is one. Check that. Put this here in the middle. And we'll just make that bigger. At like 40. Check. Good. And play. All right, and let's go. Boop, boop. Should update to, yep, current is 2. So that way we know how much damage we're going to take. That's neat. Then the only thing we need really is a new scene, which is the win scene or not. So if, what we'll do is that if, on the ready function, signal manager dot, this is player 1, player 2 wins dot connect on player 2 wins func on player 2 wins. We'll do the Q free. So now this should delete player 1 if player 2 wins. So let's see if that works. So rock, paper. Okay, just keep running rock and paper. Eventually, Frank should lose. Yeah, and then the game should basically crash after this point because we don't have any. Okay, so that's good. So we just killed our player 1. We obviously don't want to do that. That's probably the wrong way to do it. We want to set like a. We'll have another thing in the game manager. Let's do another scene. So, boop, boop, boop. New scene. We're gonna call this 2D, no 2D scene. Rename game over. Save branch as scene. Game over. Delete this. So our game over scene. We'll rename this player or Frank wins. So watch out for the. I can remove this, man. We're gonna call this the Frank wins. Frank wins TSCN. So if Frank wins, let's bring in instantiate child scene. We're gonna get Frank. And Frank is you want to label. The bigger. Okay, neat. Frank wins. You don't want to transform it. Is that, yeah, okay, cool. No transform. All right, so that's Frank wins, and then let's do another game over. Create new scene. We're gonna call this Flash wins. Okay, same thing. Instantiate child scene. Let's get good old Flash here, and then label. Flash wins. Font. Do 60. do game manager again. No, we'll do it on the players. Actually, no, game manager is good, I think. Why did we break? How did we break him? Oh, here we go. So we're omitting that. We got the game manager now. We'll do signal manager dot player one wins dot connect on player one wins. There's no errors. What's going on player one wins func on player one wins. Then we're going to do change get tree dot change scene to file player one or Frank wins. Oh. Oh, I see. Wins game. It really should be wins round. That's okay. What's the signal? What's the signal manager again? We gotta be careful of that. Wins game. That was close. Wins game. Okay, cool. And then func on player two wins game. Get tree dot change scene to file, and then Frank wins. Civil manager dot player two wins game dot connect on all right, that should work now. Now we just got to get out of that. So let's set up a button. Start game. Scale that up. Restart game. Okay. And then signals pressed. Add script. Pressed, connect to self. Unpressed, get tree dot change scene to file world. Okay, so now we can get out of it. Let's go to Flash wins. Same thing. Add button. I should just start. That's fine. The restart button. Really shouldn't made it as a class, but here we are. Pressed. Oh, are we good? Maybe it works. Let's try it. All right. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Player 1 wins. Oh, right. I didn't change that. Okay. And then we got to do wins game. There we go. Frank wins. Restart game. Cool. We are in the loop. We got our loop. Nice. High five, Marianne. Okay. Are you ready to play? Do you want to be Frank or Flash?
Frank.
Okay. So for Frank, you hit A, S, or D. So this is rock. This is paper. This is scissors. Okay. This is rock. This is paper. This is scissors for me. Are you ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, go. I won that one. You did rock. I did paper. Ready? Shoot. Pick a new one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. The tie. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. It was also a tie. All right, ready? Pick another one. 3, 2, 1, go. It's also a tie. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's a tie again. There we go. Okay, I won that one. All right, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. That's a tie. Oh boy. Take 8 damage. Pick one, pick one, pick one. Frank wins. You won. High five, Marianne. Marianne's the winner. All right, cool. Let's see if we can fix the size of the game. So let's go project settings. Let's see if we can make it bigger. Window. We'll do. Let's turn off advanced settings for now. Aspect. Why am I not getting? Let me restart the game. Okay, project settings, window. I want to make it bigger. What's my screen resolution here? iPad, no, what is this? Mac book. $1920 times 180. Okay. 1920, 180. Wait, no. 1080. There we go. Okay, this should be bigger now. Yeah, cool. And let's fix that. So player 1's going to be down there. Player 2 is going to be down here. Current round should be here. And there we go. Play that. Okay, cool. There we go. That's bigger. Let's make them a little bit bigger now. Player 1, let's scale him up. Inspector. Transform. Scale. we'll do 1.5, and Frank will also scale 1.5, or Flash will also scale 1.5. 1.5, boop. And let's make their choice label also label settings. We'll make this font color, make it blue too. And size is gonna be like 60. And let's go to him. Choice label, bring it out a little bit more. I wonder if I can have it run the other way though. Let's see. Label settings, font color, reddish, and size is going to be 60. Can I have it go the other way? Vertical alignment. Yeah, this should work. I think this will work now. Let's see if what I type in here. And I want it to run the other way. When it expands, I want it to go to the right or to the left. Okay. Text direction, right to left. Wait, isn't that the opposite of? It's right. Well, let's just put that there. And try it. Okay, cool. Let's change the rock. It's a little hard to see it. And let's bring it up. So all right, that's good. What else do we want? We want to declare the winner. So let's do the game manager again. World label or new game result. Put this down here. Put it there, and we'll say make a script. No, we're not gonna make a script. Yes, we are gonna make a script. Are we? The game manager is gonna control this. No, it's already being emitted, so we can just handle it from the signal manager. Game result. So we'll make a script here. On the ready function, we only want 3 things: signal manager dot player round player 1 wins dot connect on player 1 wins round, then signal manager dot round player 2 wins dot connect on player 2 wins round, and signal manager dot round tie dot connect on round tie. Funk on. You're hungry? Let me get you a snack. you want crackers? Ritz crackers? Do you want a cereal bar? Either good. Yeah, this.
I need apples.
Yeah, this apple. You want the strawberry one?
Maybe.
Blueberry one? Here you go. Cereal bar.
But maybe I'm not eating.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, on
Because I don't like the strawberry.
one wins round. Boop, boop, boop. What are we gonna do? We're gonna change text is equal to string player one. I know. We'll say Frank wins. Player. Yeah. Funk on player two wins round. Text. Flash won this round. And Funk on round tie. Text equals string. This round is a tie. Okay, and then let's go back to our world scene. Label settings. We'll do font 250. Let's try that. Okay, cool. Those go away. When we restart the timer, let's make a oh no, let's make an add chain. All right, we're gonna do a box container. We're gonna do current round and game result. Should help. Game result. Okay. We're gonna start off by hiding this. Hide. We'll do show. And then where is that timer? Yeah, we'll do another timer here. We'll do when the countdown. Yeah. Signal manager dot timer begin dot connect on timer begin funk on timer begin hide show. We can just we're gonna want to put this top then. It should, when I restart it, yeah. Cool. Let's make that the same.
What is that?
Oh, I gotta get Georgie Porgy.
Georgie Porgy?
Georgie Porgy wants to get out.
Georgie Porgy need to get out.
Hi, Georgie Porgy. Hi, Georgie Porgy.
Good having get today. Let's eat Georgie Porgy.
Almost
We got
done.
snack here.
We're almost there. I mean, this game is pretty much actually done at this point. I think, what else do we need? The sound effects, maybe? A load screen?
Mm.
Let's see. I think we're pretty much there. Current round. We want to make these the same. That's a 50. This should be a 4. This should be 52. Okay, so that's the same.
Georgie, see? This is my Joey plastic. And it's like this, see? Open. Shut. Open.
Result. We can also do modulate. Dot. Self-modulate. Dot. Blue. Equal to color dot blue. And we'll do if flash wins, self modulate equal to color dot red. Do this red here. And self modulate equal color dot kind of a web green. There you go. Okay, so that should work. Let's try the tie. Okay, rounds of tie.
Daddy, can you open
Rock,
this for
paper.
me?
Cool. Nice. We got that. The colors there. That's
Daddy,
nice.
can you open this for me?
Open it. What do you mean?
No, open this one.
Open it?
Open the head.
Oh, is it stuck in there? How do you get it out?
I
I don't know how to get it out. Can you ask Corey when he comes back? Okay, I think we pretty much have a complete rock, paper, scissors game at this point. That's pretty cool. I guess we want to get our countdown timer looking better. So let's do that. Let's get our countdown timer. Let's put that in our VBox container. And let's open that in the editor. The label, we're going to do the label settings here. Process. No, we're going to do var time left, time in count. Yeah, this is a silly thing as an int. And then we'll do time in countdown is equal to time left. And then we'll do time in countdown. So that'll help that. And then let's do label settings. Label settings. Font 50. Color is going to be recent colors. Aim. I like the green probably. Okay, let's try that. It's over there still. That should be in the. Why is it not in the?
Can you open this again? Open the head.
Oh, because the countdown timer is, I see the problem. It needs to be change type. This should be a label. And this should be change type. This should be the timer.
Can I see?
Extends label.
Hey, come on. Yeah, slow. Yeah, hey. Oh, yeah, hi. Mommy, I show you this one.
Most see it. What?
Mommy,
What?
open.
Is that a tiger
Yeah,
coming out from the
here.
I mean,
Mommy did.
okay. I just broke it. Let's remake that real quick. Oh, I think I broke the connection is why. Signals, timeout. Show.
Here's Coker.
Hide.
yeah, man.
If countdown timer is stopped, countdown text is equal to string and countdown.
Mới đã đẻ cổ. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
hay à?
I don't need all.
Nói chung là
Okay, should work now.
hay à? Tôi hay hoạt đi một
Eco.
dễ dàng hoạt đi.
What the eco? Next time.
3 seconds here.
Every day when I have
One shot.
and inside
Go back here.
just
Label settings, new label settings.
Um,
We're going
Yeah, because-
font.
that friend is in the same class. That's why you chose the same.
It's kind of green there. Do 50. Make that much bigger and more green.
George's holiday starts on April 1st and all the way until April 12th.
Okay.
April 12th is a Monday. It's the Monday a week after Easter Monday. Mommy,
We're gonna center this.
Coco.
Pino Coco.
Yeah, they can.
Pino Coco. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Let's try that. There we go.
I enjoy my nap so much. I wish I could have a nap every single day. Do you like to have naps, Marianne? No. I think that's the best thing.
Eureka.
Understand.
Eureka.
Homemade yum jam.
I let Jordy have it. Because I was because Daddy gave me first, and then when Jordy wakes up, I gave him. Because Jordy wanted.
Oh yeah. Nhớ bắt đầu là phải mà hưởng thức phố. Not that side. Do you see the red big curtain? There, look up. Tower 2. Wrong hand. Good job, put it in the kitchen. Wrong side.
I
Do
see
you
it.
see it?
I
The
see
two
it. Curtain.
red. Oh. Just hang it there.
It's just hanging outside of the building.
Yeah, so funny. Today, are you picking up?
Yes.
Jordy likes going outside.
What are you working on?
I'm working on rock, paper, scissors.
I was playing the Daddy rock paper scissors shoot
Oh.
just now
Oh.
when you were sleeping.
I'll show you. It's pretty cool. All right. And that is a finished game. I will send that out to everybody in a little bit. Wait, was my screen not showing the whole time? That's a bummer.
Hi, little man.
Well, that's kind of lame.
Right there is picture